Hello boss, this video explains PCB components dismantling machine. PCB components dismantling machine, mainly used to separate electronic components on circuit boards. First put the circuit board to be separated into the heating drum of the dismantling machine. After the heating tube is heated to 180200 degrees, the solder on the circuit board melts and drips into the tray directly below the dismantling machine. As the drum rotates, the circuit boards collide with each other. The electronic components begin to fall. The fallen electronic components fall onto the vibrating screen in front of the dismantling machine, then they fall onto the tray in front. When all the electronic components fall, control the drum to rotate in the opposite direction. The circuit board with the removed electronic components falls down the generated. Smoke is small, environmentally friendly, economical and durable.